in India, basically, child labor has been an issue which has been around for ages. We've seen little children getting into the carpet industry, getting into firecrackers. Shivakasi is one of the major places where small children are making firecrackers because their hands are so small. So they become adults at like tender ages of 12, 13, 11. No matter how hard you try, it's kind of difficult to get these children out of labor and put them straight away into schools. Economically, it's very difficult for them to also come into tune that, you know, they are children and they need to go to school and educate themselves. So what we figured at Toy Bank is simple toys can make them children again. Playing for a few hours gets their minds off, distracts them. Buying a toy is like a luxury. Given a choice, parents wouldn't spend their money to buy a toy. They would rather spend it to buy one square meal or maybe a pair of shoes. Nobody had ever gone out and given them such fantastic board games and soft toys and things to play with.
मुझे टॉय बैंक जाना अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना आता है। घर में पैसे नहीं रहते इसलिए मैं टॉय बैंक टॉयज़ ले नहीं सकती, इसलिए मुझे टॉय बैंक अच्छा लगता है।
मैं टॉय बैंक में जितना खिलौनों से खेलता हूँ, मैं कभी स्कूल के बाहर खेलता नहीं।
It started like an ad hoc idea, literally. I said, okay, we'll collect a lot of toys, ask our friends, relatives, collect toys. That's how it really started. In 2004, August 15th, I shared this idea with my friends. And they took me seriously, which was fantastic. And they and me, all of us put together, we sent out an email chain to lots and lots of people. And then in turn, they sent out more emails. So more and more people started to know about what we're trying to do. And by like October 2004, we were like inundated with calls, with toys. I had a full-time job, 5 days a week, but through the weekends, all of us did toy banking. What happened is over the next 4 or 5 years of working in the corporate world, there was always this calling, there was always this thing going on in my head that, you know, there's so much more to do. Toy Bank was kind of growing very well, and I could see the results and the impact of our work. And I just jumped into a toy bank, registered it, got a team, built a team, got an office, and set sailing. So that's how it happened to me. Like, there's no second thoughts about it.
One of my experiences that really shook me when it was maybe my third or fourth time at Toy Bank, and I started really to wonder that, you know, am I really making a difference in these 2 hours that I spend every weekend with these kids? So once, just as I was stepping out the door, so one little kid came to me and he said, "Sir, aap agli baar kab aaoge? When will you come the next time?" And that little question right there had all the answers. It just had all the answers for me.
I believe that all of us are born to do something, and we all can do something really substantial with all our lives. You can kind of just think hard and kind of start doing than just talking. So at least I'm one of those that does. I really believe I make a lot of mistakes, of course, but it's exciting and it makes the journey more and more interesting, and you bump into a lot of interesting people. So that itself for me is like breathing and living life rather than just existing.